What does a cavity look on an x-ray? Wow, that's a very tough question to answer because you are not able to see all cavities on an x-ray. Typically speaking, on the x-rays that we look for cavities on, they have to be really big in nature to the point where you actually got to actually do some treatment, invasive treatment in the dental office for, typically speaking. So what it look like, if you look at an x-ray, they're kind of gray, black, and white. The white part is a tooth of the enamel. Anything that turns black in that area is typically a cavity. I say typically because you got to learn how to read the actual x-ray. There's some things that can look like cavities that are not truly cavities. It's really bad when you see the tooth no longer look like a tooth. That what's called gross decay. A very, very big cavity, probably a hole in the tooth. If not a hole, it's about to become a hole in the tooth. So typically, that's what a cavity looks like on an x-ray. Can you see all cavities? No. Can you miss cavities because they're grown and just started growing? Yes, because they are not the size in which you can actually see them on the x-ray. So that may answer your question as well. Well, how come my dentist didn't see it? Well, it's because it was small 6 months ago and now it's larger today. So I hope that makes sense. That's what it looks like. If you really want to learn how to do it, go to dental school. You can actually go to become an x-ray technician or come work for our company and you'll learn how to actually read x-rays if you want to work with patients. All right, hope that answers your question. Any other questions, you let me know, okay?